guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's been a while, but I am here. Okay, so my brows are done already, and I'll list the products in the description below, but I'm going in with the Fruits Cosmetic Almond base, just to prime my eyes to set that foundation for these awesome colors that I'm about to bring to you guys. And just to let you know, I'll be half in this look. So for the red side, which is the tropical side, I'll be using Almond Lashes Carnival Queen palette, and for the blue side, I'll be mostly using the Fruits Cosmetics Melody palette, but we'll see as we go along. So I'm basically just going to be blending my shadows, and then I'm going to cut the crease again with the same base, which is the almond base from Fruits Cosmetics, and I'm just going to keep using this palette on this side of my face. Okay, so right here I'm just showing you guys that you need to blend out that the edge of the base, and I just basically blended in the eyeshadow into it, taking it a bit further so I can pull the gold into it. That way you create like a seamless transition rather than a sharp look. Right, so next up I'm going in with the eyeliner, and it's like Island, that's why it's spelled like that, but it's really good. It's a really good liner. I love it. I use it in all my looks, and I'll also be using it for detailing. Right, so now we're getting into the Fruits Cosmetic side, and I'm using the Fruitsmelody palette for all of my, my colors for my crease and blending it out. Then I'm going to cut the crease with the P. Louise base. I think it's Banging Blue, but I'll list it below because I'm not too sure. And then I'll apply some pigments from Desirable Cosmetics, which I think is Majestic, but I'll also list that below so you guys can see. Okay, and it's been a while since I filmed the YouTube video, y'all, so I'm sorry I'm here blocking what it is that I'm doing. I'm just setting the base right now. And this is the pigment that I was telling you guys about. It's really good. Desirable Cosmetics did really good with this Stardust pigment. I ain't even gonna lie. But yeah, I didn't know where I was looking. At times I was looking all over the place. This is what happened when you fall off of YouTube. But I am back, and I'm gonna try and stay consistent with it. But look at that pigment, y'all. Like, look at it. Period. Okay, so we're going in with the Fruits Cosmetics Blackcurrant eyeliner. I also love this eyeliner. To be honest, I love everything from Fruits, and I love everything from Island Mink, which is why we're here. This was the first Christmas look that I did, but I'm only posting it today because I wanted to use like two of my favorite brands in a look together, and this was the result of it. But it's so... basically most of everything that I'm using is going to be Island Mink and Fruits Cosmetics. Okay, so these are the Soca Queen lashes, and I'm just going to go ahead and put them on, and then I'll be back. Okay, stay tuned. Well, that didn't take long because we are back. Okay, look at these lashes. Come on, lashes. Okay, so I'm just gonna basically prime my face, go through my foundation, all that stuff. I think from here I'm gonna try and speed up this video because I'm trying to make it 10 minutes or less, but we'll see how that goes. Okay, for the base and stuff, you guys know how to do your base, so I'm just gonna try and speed this up as much as I can. Okay, so that's the base done, and basically we're going back into the Fruitmelody palette by Fruits Cosmetics, and we're just gonna contour again in blue, and then on the tropical side we're gonna contour again in red. So Inferno for that side, and the blue, because there's no names for them, for the winter side. Okay, so again, I'm probably gonna spray through this as well. Just have a look. Come on, highlights. Okay, so when I got this highlighter first, like, I honestly didn't think that this was for a dark person. I think this one is golden apple, but look at that highlight. Come on, highlights. Okay, so right now I'm doing the snowflakes for the winter side. So I'm just gonna show you guys how to do one or two, because I think most of them are the same. I draw them the same. So I'm just going to do one or two and show you guys how to do them, because this look took me 3 hours to do. And I was not about to let this video run for 3 hours. So I'm just going to show you how to do one or two, and then I'll probably skip through the rest. And I'll probably do the same with the flowers as well. I'll show you how I drew one or two, and then I will skip through the rest. Okay, so I'm about to half these lips, y'all. Let me just tell you, I started to do them on the wrong side. So as you can see, like, my lip on the winter side is already red. I had to rub that off because obviously it's wrong. So I'll half the lips. So half will be in blue for the winter side and half will be in red for the tropical side. Come on, winter. Okay, so I'm gonna use the Fruits Cosmetic, and this is the coconut base, I think, this time. And I'm just gonna draw my flowers, and then I'm going to use the Carnival Cream palette again to fill in the flowers, as well as the Fruitmelody palette to do the leaves. I will also be using a water activated liner. I will list all of them below what I'm using, but yeah, I'm just doing one or two, like I said, and then I'll probably skip through the rest. Okay, so we're pretty much done. So I'm gonna go and come back in 2.5 seconds. We're back. So this is the final look, y'all, and I really wanted to do more with it because of how long this look was taking me to do. I couldn't. But anyways, I was inspired by all of the beautiful ladies that I've seen do the winter versus autumn. But because I am a Caribbean girl, it wouldn't be winter versus autumn, it would be winter versus tropical. And this is my tropical side with all my lovely flowers, and the winter side with all the snow. That's you guys. Tropical, that's me, okay? But this is it. Thank you for watching, and look out for more videos. Maybe we have one more video for 2020, but the rest of them will be 2021. Okay, bye guys, I'll catch you in my next one.